Good morning, everyone! Welcome to Wonderful Living by Gerry Garcia. I'm your host, Gerry, and today it's gonna be the wreath making tutorial. So we will be making a wreath out of these beautiful, fresh oriental lilies. Alright, so take it away. So for our wreath making tutorial, the materials would be, of course, the fresh oriental lilies. Any flower that you would like will do. We have the wreath pattern. Ano siya? Bale, it's a wire. Mas madali kung meron na kayo agad ganito. Alright? And then, isa sandwich natin would be, of course, our foam. This foam, you can buy it in a hobby store for fresh flowers, meaning it can absorb water. Alright, so and then I have baby's breath right here as a base. Then we have some $50 eucalyptus, what we call it here. And then to embellish, we have a cute bow that goes with it. And then kailangan natin ng mga strap when we sandwich this inside the wire. Alright, so let's start. First step. We will submerge this in water. We will submerge our foam in water. The best way to submerge it is just when you drop this in a bowl of water, just let it submerge by itself. Huwag niyong i-push down kasi parang nape-pressure siya. So, the goal, I have two wires right here. The goal is to put these are already submerged in water. Parang isa-sandwich natin ganon. So, we'll do such. We'll line it up. Make sure na pare-pareho ang height ng bawat foam. We will need at least 6 or 8. 8 kung marami ang gusto nyo. Tingnan mo nga ito. Hindi pa masyadong pantay-pantay. Anyari. Yan. So, right here, I have these are about 8. So, ganyan lang. So, kailangan pa natin ng isa. So, ang goal is parang ganyan. So, we will tie it. Sana may power ako. We will tie it as such. Yan. Parang ganyan. Alright? So that's step 2. We are done with putting all, putting all the foam inside. So, makikita nyo, it is now secured. So, sinecure natin by using the wires. So, para tong cable, make sure lang na mahigpit siya. So, ang idea niyan, kasi nga Wreath siya, ganyan. So, medyo may weight siya. I'm not sure, maybe this is about what? 5 pounds? Something like that. Kasi may water na kasama. Now, just to keep it clean, puputulin natin yung mga excess wires. Alright? So, that's what we're gonna do right now. Mabilis lang siya para lang pagka lalagay na kayo ng mga bulaklak, hindi siya kita. You know, para to give it a cleaner look. Matigas siya. Parang nanghihina ako ngayon. Pasensya na kayo kasi actually may sakit pa po ako eh. So, nahawa ko dun sa estudyante ko. So, remove lang natin lahat para malinis na malinis siya. So, after this, we're gonna start putting in the base yung mga baby's breath. Yun ang ilalagay natin as base. It could be some arrangement that I do. It could be chrysanthemum or any other flower na parang perennial. So, ang goal is, syempre, mas mura ang ilalagay natin. Teka, may isa pa po. So, ayan na. It's now a clean look, but it's dripping. So, hindi po yan maiiwasan kasi may water talaga siya. So, even though once we're done, we're gonna hang it para lang patuluin. Alrighty. We're gonna start putting in our baby spread. We are moving on to the next step, which is putting on the base. Any kind of flower, any kind of greens, pwede. So, since pipili tayo ng front, kung ano ang gusto nating front, I would choose this front, kasi hindi masyadong kita ang cable. So, ang idea lang po, bale, ganyan, lalagyan lang natin ng base. Alright? So, let's start doing it. So, depende sa inyo, sometimes minsan mas maganda kasi kapag na yung nakabaon talaga. And ganito ang kasi hindi lahat parang may budget for a lush base. And I understand that. Kanya-kanya tayo yan eh. So, ang idea niyan is para hindi ka magkulang, I would suggest scattered mo muna siya. So, halimbawa, these are your collection of the base. So, para kang maggagawa ng parang isa-section mo na siya. So, this one would be this one. For this section would be this much. Parang tansyado mo. Yun palang hinahanap kong word. So, tansyado mo ang kung gaano karami na hindi lang basta lahat dito mapupunta tapos na wala na dito. So, that's just my 2 cents. Alright, so we're gonna keep doing this till we're done. I'll show you later. finished product for the base. Ayan, nailagay na natin yung at least 200 to I think 230 tiny stems of baby's breath. Medyo matrabaho, but I think it's worth it. And you know, if it's just gonna be your parang a way to unwind, especially for our neurodivergent population, it is a very, very good way to relax. So, next step would be, by the way, nakalimutan ko, napansin nyo, there's a space right in between kasi dito natin ilalagay yung ating oriental lilies later on. But before I do that, embellish ko muna siya ng mga eucalyptus all over. I'll show you how. Again, each arrangement is different from the first and your last. Normally ganon kasi nga art. So, I will try to utilize this kung saan siya babagay. Okay? I'll show you how. Okay, so I've started putting in the eucalyptus. So I put it inward, and then meron din ako dito. Ang goal ko kasi, I wanna really like to look it more natural. So parati siyang free form. Sabi nga nila, gusto ko yung parang walang, it's organic basically. So kahit saan siya pumunta, so long as it looks beautiful. Nasa sa inyo po yon kung ano ang style ninyo, but it's just my style na gusto ko parating free form. So some arrangement would be parang sabihin na natin na outward, or some arrangement will be inward. Ako gusto ko siya parating free form. So, but I'll show you what do I mean by free form. All right, I'll start embellishing this with the eucalyptus. Here is our finished product for the fresh flower wreath that we just made earlier. So makikita nyo, these are made out of a baby's breath, and then because it is in season, ang ginamit ko pong bulaklak na fresh flower is the oriental lilies kasi parati tayong roses and then peonies. So para maiba naman, especially I'm gonna give this to my mother. It is her birthday tomorrow, March the 30th. Happy birthday, Mama. She passed away about 2 years ago. Mahilig siya sa bulaklak. And so I just thought na, kada birthday niya, I will make something special for her. So this is for her tomorrow. The family will pay a visit. Nandun din ang aking deceased father. So magkasama sila dun sa forest lawn. So I'm pretty sure magugustuhan niya ito. So guys, tapos na ang ating tutorial. It's as fast as that one. So I want to wrap this up, and I want to say my hello to the neurodivergent population. This video is specially made for you. At sana meron kayong mga takeaways na nakuha ngayong araw na ito sa ating tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you again next time. Alright? This has been Gerry Garcia for Wonderful Living. Thank you so much, guys. You have a wonderful day. Goodbye.